Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to use text to image on Canva. The first thing you need to do is go over to the bottom right hand corner and you are going to select the option Apps. After selecting Apps, you will see the option Text to Image. You are going to tap on that. Then in the box right here, the text box, you are going to type in the text that you would like to see. But for this example, I'll select one of the preloaded ones. So for example, this one right here. Then you'll simply scroll down and select the type of style that you want. So let's say for example, 3D. Then you'll scroll down a bit further and you can decide the aspect ratio, whether you want it square, landscape, or portrait. For this example, I'll select landscape. Then I'll tap on generate image and you'll give it a few seconds while it's generating the image. Once it's done, you'll see 4 different image options you can choose from. This one looked nice, so I'll tap on this one and you can see it right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.